Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 448. We expected copper to stay in selling, so right after the opening, the price continued its selling and it broke 442, came down till 434 and closed near 438.3. So again we had a very big selling in copper market, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 434, near the yesterday's low. So what we can do today, wait for the price to come near 432, and we need to take a major risk only for risk takers and not for conservative traders. You can start buying from 432 till 426, expecting we can have some retracement. So or else you can focus on the options. So you can buy some, you can sell some put options. As a seller of put option in copper options derivative, your expectation is that the market will move up. So you can select some 425 strike, or 430 strike. You can sell a put option expecting that the price can move up, and if the price is coming down below 426, you can put some protection by buying a put option at the bottom. So we call it as a spread. So you can apply the strategies at this area, because 426 and 422, it's a very big support for copper trading. So this is going to be a risky trade. If you are trying to select put option, it may be of very less risk rather than trying to catch the falling knife, like buying, trying to buy at 42. It's always better to try the options. So let's see how things are going in copper. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.